Introduction. The Quran is the book of God. It has preserved in its entirety for all time to come, all through written originally in Arabic. It has been made accessible thanks to translations to those who have no knowledge of Arabic, while no substitute for the original translation serve the signal purpose of spreading the word of God for beyond the Arabic speaking peoples to a far broader spectrum of humanity. The Quran is apparently in the Arabic language, but in reality it is in the language of nature, that is the language in which God directly addressed all human beings at the time of creation. This divine invocation of humanity is ever present in the consciousness of all human beings. That is why the Quran is universally subconscious level. The reality has been described in the Quran as clear revelations in the hearts of those who have been given knowledge. The verse goes on to say that none deny our revelations save the wrongdoers. This means that the divine reality explained by the Quran on a conscious plan pre-exists in man at the level of subconscious. Message of the Quran is not therefore something which is alien to man. It is fact a variable expression of that same divine reality which is consonance with man's own nature and with which he is already familiar. The Quran explains these by saying that those born in later times were all initially born at the time of the creation of Adam, and at the time God has directly addressed all these human souls. This event is those alluded to in the Quran. Prophet, when your blood brought forth the offspring from the lions of the children of Adam and made them bear witness about themselves, he said, Am I not your Lord? And they said, Yes.